Evening. Myself, Srinivas Likith, and my teammate Sai Ashish. We are presenting today our final project of visualization. It is about the Goodreads website. This is a visual analytics dashboard to observe trends and patterns of the customers reading books in the website. So the main motivation for us to do a dashboard on this is in today's world, everybody is majorly interested in watching movies, news, and TV shows, etc. So we wanted to find out if there are people still reading books in old-fashioned way or not. So we aim to find what makes a book great and to identify the patterns and trends which can be useful to authors or publishers. So the analysis is based on the data from Goodreads website. We chose around 1500 books ranked on their BB score. So if you can see on the screen, there are different kinds of plot. Uh, the first one is scatter plot. It is between the number of pages and the price. And second one is histogram. It is between genre and the number of customers. And the third one is rating, and the fourth one is release year. It's a timeline of the books, like the topic we choose. And the next one is a parallel coordinates plot. uh, so we have chosen specific attributes which make the most sense to observe patterns. And uh, and the last one is chloropleth map. So based on the location, we can segregate which area reads which books and all. So from here on, my teammates Ayashish will explain each plot in detail.
Good evening, everyone. So, if we start off from price versus pages, if we start off from the scatter plot, we have introduced brushing into the plot, which enables us to get a more clearer and in-depth observation of each and every specific book sold. So, if we select this particular range after brushing, we can find the direct correlation and indirect correlation between all the parameters, as all the specific attributes and parameters change according to the books we have selected, as we can see here. So the price from this particular scatter plot, we can observe that even there is no direct correlation between the price of the book and the number of pages present in the book, although we can find that there is a direct correlation between the ratings of the book and the price versus pages graph. Similarly, if we see here the top genres bar plot, we can observe that like whenever we click on any particular genre, we can observe the concurrent changes which appear in the graph. After we have changed fiction, the rating and the release here have changed concurrently, along with the places where the story is most likely situated and the PCP plot. Here we can observe that most of the books which are based on fiction, most of the books have been released before 1950, which is 55%, and 33% of the books have been released after 2000, which leaves a minimal time frame of 12% between the years of 1950 and 2000. Similarly, if we also compare the ratings in that particular time period, after 2000, the ratings have been pretty good, which means the reported ratings of people which have been posted online or offline, that is via papers or any other medium of post, it has significantly increased to 61% after 2000 compared to 39% before 2000. Similarly, we can observe that most of the books which are fictional are based out of Canada and the United States, followed by Mexico and the countries in South America. Mostly, also, some of the books are situated in Russia. In this way, we can observe concurrent correlations between each genre, price versus page. On a whole, each attribute as such, the correlation between each attribute as such. Let us see the same when we have like our complete dashboard is completely interactive. So if we click on one particular segment of one particular attribute, we can see that all the particular attributes change concurrently. Like this, when we press on Canada, the total count of the books which have been released in Canada are 18, where are 18, whereas fiction here itself consists of 18 books. Historical fiction has 3, mystery is 3, urban fantasy is 2, and fantasy is 2. And similarly, we can observe the same here. Apart from all of this, we also present the PCP plot here. Suppose we select fiction. This is the PCP plot for fiction, and if we brush down the number of ratings, the books which receive more than 1 million ratings or such, it is directly linked to the liked percentage and the BB score of the books and the total number of awards also received by the books. As the number of ratings increase, we can see that the books with most number of ratings are most liked, and they have also received the most number of awards. The major motivation of our project is to find out the most number of correlations which have been present in which are given out by each attribute, which gives us a deeper understanding of how, where, and what the books mean to each and every person. This particular dashboard can be used minimally, like it can be understood by everyone. We have designed it in such a way that it can be understood by everyone. Even a layman can understand this dashboard when he clicks on something, because you see that on that particular when he clicks on that particular parameter, everything changes and it becomes easy for him to read. So, so in this way, we and this particular dashboard can be used better by the publishers, authors, and the users. Publishers in the business aspect of it, to understand which book, which type of genre, which type of book, number of pages written in the book, how good the user appreciates the depth of character being explained, which can be understood by the increase in the number of pages, so on and so forth. This makes more of a business sense to the publisher, which would be furthermore sent forward onto the author so that they understand it better. So this is the end of our presentation. Hope you all liked our project.
Thank you.
Thank you.